Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I just received a few new accessories for my Heritage Classics, so without wasting too much time, let's take a look what I got and let's get them installed on the bike. Alright, first is a Defiance Collection shifter peg in chrome. A timer cover, also in chrome. You can see the pattern here. Obviously everything's chrome. A front fender trim. An oil cover, oil cooler cover, also obviously in chrome. A shifter linkage with a Harley Davidson engraving on it. And of course, the install couldn't be complete with some barn shield chrome valve stem covers. Alright, so let's go ahead and get everything installed. Shifter peg, the install couldn't be any easier, just an Allen key, one bolt, remove the old one, the new one out. Alright, next up is the shifter linkage. So the shifter linkage, as you can see, is adjustable just like a stock one. So I'll take a stock one off. I'll measure the exact distance of the stock one versus the new one. It does come with a couple of screws and an Acorn nut and a spacer. So just follow direction for your bike. If you need to use a spacer or not, an instruction says everything. Alright, so now I'm just going to adjust the new one to match the distance of the one that I just took off and put it back on the bike. So before you put the new rod in, don't forget to put a little bit of Loctite on the front and back nuts. Next up is an oil cooler cover. Super simple install, just one bolt, the old one comes off, new one goes on. Moving on to the front of the bike, I'm going to install a front fender trim. Basically, all you need to do is make sure the fender is clean, measure the center of the fender and approximate distance where you will want this thing to be. Use alcohol to clean the surface with alcohol before you install the trim. And the most difficult of them all, valve stems, I left for the end. Let's get it done. Alright guys, so thanks for stopping by for another episode of accessorizing my Heritage Classic. This will do it for today. Hopefully this video was useful to some of you and gave you some ideas if you want to get some accessories for your bike. As always, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.